Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OK, let's dive into a comprehensive guide to code review best practices, complete with a roadmap and practical examples. This guide aims to provide a structured approach to code reviews, helping you improve code quality, knowledge sharing, and team collaboration. Code Review Best Practices Roadmap. This roadmap outlines a step-by-step approach to implementing and refining your code review process. It covers everything from setting up your environment to conducting effective reviews and tracking improvements. 1. Establish clear guidelines and expectations. Define code style. Choose a coding style guide, example Google Style Guides, PEP 8 for Python, Airbnb JavaScript Style Guide. Consistency makes code easier to read and maintain. Establish review scope. What are you primarily looking for in a review? Bug detection, security vulnerabilities, code readability, performance, adherence to standards. Set review time limits. Unending reviews are counterproductive. Aim for a reasonable turnaround time, example 1 to 2 business days for small to medium changes. If a review is taking too long, break it down into smaller chunks. Define ready for review criteria. What conditions should the code meet before it's submitted for review? Passing tests, basic linting, clear commit messages, self-review. Define exit criteria. What are the required conditions for approving the code? All critical issues addressed, all comments resolved, satisfactory test coverage. Document the process. Write down these guidelines in a team document, example a wiki page, shared Google Doc, or a section in your project's README. 2. Optimize the review environment. Use a code review tool. Employ a dedicated code review tool for efficient workflow, annotation, and tracking. Popular options include GitHub/GitLab/Bitbucket pull requests. Simple, integrated into your version control system. Fabricator. Powerful, feature-rich, open source. Jared. Another open source option, focused on workflow and approvals. Crucible, Atlassian integrates well with other Atlassian tools. Reviewable. A commercial review tool with advanced features like visual diffs and multi-stage reviews. Configure linters and static analysis tools. Automate the detection of style violations and potential errors. Integrate these tools into your CI/CD pipeline to catch issues early. Examples: ESLint, JavaScript. PyLint, Python. SonarQube, general purpose. Spot bugs, Java. PMD, Java. Check, C++. Set up continuous integration, CI automate building, testing, and code analysis whenever new code is pushed. This helps identify integration problems and regressions quickly. 3. Prepare for the review. Write clear commit messages. Each commit should have a concise and informative message explaining the why behind the change, not just the what. Use a consistent format, example feat, implement user authentication. Break down large changes. If possible, split large features into smaller, more manageable commits or pull requests. Smaller changes are easier to review and less prone to errors. Self-review your code. Before submitting your code for review, thoroughly review it yourself. This helps catch obvious errors and improve the overall quality of your submission. Provide context. Include a clear description of the changes, the problem being solved, and any relevant background information in the pull request description or review request. Point reviewers to specific areas of concern or questions you have. 4. Conduct the review effectively. Asterisk. Focus on key areas. Don't try to nitpick every minor detail. Prioritize issues that impact. Security. Potential vulnerabilities, SQL injection, XSS, etc. Correctness. Logic errors, incorrect calculations, data inconsistencies. Performance. Inefficient algorithms, memory leaks. Maintainability. Code readability, complexity, adherence to coding standards. Be constructive and respectful. Frame feedback positively and focus on how to improve the code, not on blaming the author. Use phrases like "could this be simplified," or "have you considered?" Avoid personal attacks. Ask questions. If you don't understand something, ask the author for clarification. This is an opportunity to learn and improve the code. Provide specific examples. When pointing out an issue, provide a specific code snippet and explain why it's problematic. Avoid subjective preferences. Unless a style issue is egregious, avoid arguing about personal preferences. Stick to established coding standards. Use a consistent annotation style. Most code review tools allow you to add comments directly to the code. Use the correct comment type, example issue, suggestion, question. Consider edge cases and error handling. Think about potential edge cases and how the code handles errors. Check test coverage. Ensure that the changes are adequately covered by unit tests or integration tests. Look for code duplication. Identify opportunities to refactor duplicate code into reusable components or functions. Don't block on minor issues. If there are only a few minor issues, consider approving the code with a suggestion to fix them in a subsequent commit. Use checklists. Create checklists of items to check during a code review to ensure consistent coverage and reduce the risk of overlooking important details. Remember the big picture. Understand the context of the code being reviewed and its impact on the overall project. 5. Address review feedback. Respond to all comments. Acknowledge each comment, even if you disagree with it. Explain your reasoning. If you disagree with a comment, explain your reasoning clearly and respectfully. Sometimes a discussion can lead to a better solution. Implement changes based on feedback. Make the necessary changes to address the issues raised in the review. Re-request review. After making changes, re-request a review to ensure that the issues have been addressed and that no new problems have been introduced. Don't take feedback personally. Code reviews are about improving the code, not about criticizing the author. 6. Iterate and improve. Track code review metrics. Collect data on code review turnaround time, defect density, and other relevant metrics. This can help identify areas for improvement in the process. Hold retrospectives. Regularly hold retrospectives to discuss the code review process and identify areas for improvement. Update guidelines and expectations. As the project evolves, update the code review guidelines and expectations to reflect the current needs and challenges. Provide training. Provide training on code review best practices to ensure that everyone on the team is on the same page. Encourage knowledge sharing. Use code reviews as an opportunity to share knowledge and best practices among team members. Code examples. Here are some code examples to illustrate specific points within the code review process. 1. Insecure code, security issue. Reviewers comment. This code is vulnerable to SQL injection. If a user enters a malicious username, example or 1 equals 1, it could expose sensitive data or allow unauthorized access. Use parameterized queries or an ORM to prevent SQL injection. Corrected code asterisk. 2. Lack of error handling. Reviewers comment asterisk. This function doesn't handle the case where y is 0. It will raise a zero division error and crash the program. Add error handling to prevent this. Corrected code asterisk. 3. Code duplication. Reviewers comment asterisk. There's a lot of code duplication here. The area and perimeter calculations for rectangles and squares are very similar. Consider creating a more generic rectangle class that handles both cases. Refactored code asterisk. 4. Readability and maintainability. Reviewers comment asterisk. This function is difficult to understand because the variable names are not descriptive and the logic is condensed. Use more meaningful variable names and add comments to explain the purpose of the function and its steps. Improved code asterisk. 5. Missing unit tests. Reviewers comment asterisk. This function seems straightforward, but it's missing unit tests. It's important to have tests to ensure that the function works correctly for different inputs, including edge cases, example price equals 0, discount underscore percentage equals 1, dot. Tests added asterisk. Important considerations and tips asterisk. Asterisk automate where possible asterisk leverage linters, static analysis tools, and CI to automate checks that can be performed automatically. This frees up reviewers to focus on more complex issues. Asterisk review in chunks asterisk don't try to review massive changes all at once. Break them down into smaller, more manageable chunks. Asterisk use diffs effectively asterisk code review tools provide diff views that highlight the changes made in the code. Use these views to quickly identify the areas that need the most attention. Asterisk consider code coverage tools asterisk tools like coverage.py, Python, can help you assess how much of your code is covered by tests. Asterisk review code regularly asterisk integrate code reviews into your development workflow. Don't wait until the end of a project to start reviewing code. Asterisk remember the human element asterisk code reviews are a collaborative process. Be respectful, constructive, and open to feedback. By following this roadmap and incorporating these best practices, you can create a robust code review process that improves code quality, fosters knowledge sharing, and enhances team collaboration. Remember that it's an iterative process. Continuously evaluate and refine your approach to ensure that it meets your team's needs.